Hey there, welcome back to channel. Samsung doing a damn good update in the Galaxy S24 series, mainly the focus on the S24 Plus. So now we get some interesting information about S24 model that might be confuse you to buy this phone. The upcoming S24 Plus come with 1440p display, which easily make it more attractive option than entry model. So finally, the Galaxy S24 Plus display upgrade. IC Universal recently posted a comparison photo about the difference in the display between S24 models. As you can see that the S24 Plus come with WQHD display that's come in at 6.7-inch display, also come with 120Hz display with the same resolution as S24 Ultra. This high resolution of the 1440p display could be provide a more enjoyable viewing experience. The display could be more sharp and bright, and on the other hand, the regular S24 and S24 Plus also have a same 2500 nits peak brightness similar to the Ultra model, and the S24 Plus powered by 4900 mAh battery, just less than 100 mAh battery, the S24 Ultra, and also using LTPO display technology has like the Ultra, and also come with flat frame. And we also know that the S24 series using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and also using Exynos 2400 CPU in some markets. And S24 series also improving the camera UI and the camera sensors. So this is all about the crazy information about the S24 Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.